In the previous video, I showed you how to create an OpenVPN server using the official OpenVPN access server. It works great, but there's a catch. The free plan only allows 2 connections. If you want more, you'll need to pay around $7 a month, and that's not ideal if you want to use it on all your devices or share it with family. But if you're looking for a completely free method with no connection limit, this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'll show you how to set up your own OpenVPN server on a VPS using a special script. It's 100% free, doesn't limit the number of devices, and it's super easy to do. First, you need a VPS with at least 1 CPU and 1 GB of RAM, running either Ubuntu 20.04 or Debian 11 or higher. If you don't have a VPS or you don't know how to buy one, check out my video, Buying Your First VPS. Watch this first. Link is in the description. After creating your VPS, you need to connect to it. I use Termius, the SSH client I personally recommend. If you don't know how to do that, I also cover it in my video, How to Connect to Your VPS using Termius, link in the description. Open Termius, create a new host, enter your VPS IP. Set the username to root, and enter the VPS password, usually sent to you by email. Then connect. First, update your system by running this command. This makes sure your server is fully up to date before installing any new software. It usually takes a few minutes to complete and may show some setup options during installation. If prompted, accept and choose the default settings. We'll use a script by NYR to install OpenVPN. To do that, run this command. I'll link the script's GitHub page in the description. The script will guide you through a few setup steps. First, select UDP for more speed or TCP for more stability. Then choose a port. Next, pick a DNS provider. And finally, set a client name. At the end, press any key to begin the installation. Once you've done that, the script will handle the rest automatically. When the script finishes, it creates a .open file using the client name you chose. This is your VPN configuration file. Since you're using Termius, here's how to download it. Open Termius, go to the SFTP tab. On the right, connect to your VPS. On the left, select your local folder to save the OpenVPN config file. Then on the right, tap to download the config file to your device. It'll save in the folder you selected. This is the file you'll use to connect to your VPN. Now install the OpenVPN client on your device. Go to the official OpenVPN client download page. I'll link it in the description. Select your platform. We're using Windows, so download the Windows version. After download, install it. Now, all you have to do is connect to your VPN. Just click on the configuration file you downloaded, it will automatically open the OpenVPN application. Tap Connect to start the connection. And congratulations! You've successfully created an OpenVPN server with no connection limit. You can only connect one device at a time per profile. If you need to add more devices, just rerun the script and choose the option to add a new client. Enter a new name for the client, and it will generate a new configuration file. You can repeat this process for as many devices as you want. Once all config files are created, download them and import each one into the OpenVPN app on your devices to connect. And that's it. You now have a free, unlimited OpenVPN server running on your own VPS. OpenVPN is one of the best protocols in terms of speed, stability, and privacy. It's supported on almost all devices, but it has its downsides. If you live in a region where the internet is restricted and VPNs are blocked by the government, OpenVPN might not work well. It's easy to detect and block using advanced firewall systems. If you're in one of those countries with heavy internet restrictions, you'll need a protocol that's hard to detect and can bypass government firewalls. In the next video, I'll show you how to set up V2 on your server. V2 is known as one of the best protocols for restricted areas. It's extremely difficult for firewalls to detect, offers high speed and stability, and supports a wide range of devices and apps for easy connection. If you found this useful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials on servers, networking, and free tools. See you in the next one.